So hello my tech peoples and welcome back to my channel. Let's continue our reverse series and today we are going to see two methods, or we can say logic, to reverse the number. And I have already uploaded the previous video which was on while loop, reverse using a while loop. Go check it out, and the link will be in the description or on the I button. And so let's jump into the video.
Not a game, it's a rich thing.
So first method in today's video, we will be learning on how we can reverse a number using a for loop. So first I will be taking one number. Let's say I have taken a number in num variable. Let's say 1 2 3 4 and 5. So we have to reverse this number using for loop. So first thing, we will be using a string method here. You can say string logic, because we have to loop through each and every number here. So we can't do by simply an integer. So we have to convert it first to string. So in Python we can simply write str and the number here, that is num. So it will convert this integer number into the string. So after that converting, we will use one for loop. So simply we will write for, let's say I will take one variable, uh, let's say I in s. So we will store this our string in s, and also I will be needing one empty string. So I will take at op output as empty string. So this string will print our final output, because we have to append each and every character. So because we have converted it into string, so each here now they are not number, they are characters. So each character into this op variable. So I will loop through this. So after looping, I will traverse to whole the number variable. So in that I have to append that. So for appending, I will just write op, because we have to append all the characters inside this variable op. Okay, so op, and I will just write the I, because we have to concatenate. So I will just write, and I will explain how it will work. So I plus and op here, because we have to append each character in the previous means updated output variable only. And simply after that we will uh, print that op. So it will give us a string with a reverse order. So let's understand how this for loop will run. So as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 sorry 1 2 3 4 5 numbers are there. So if I print this simply the I, so I will get 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, simple. Then I have to append that. So I will be taking one empty string, because I want to store that all the characters inside that. So in this you can see I is at the first iteration, it is holding number 1 and plus op. The op is empty. So after that op will have 1 inside that. Okay, so now our op is 1, not an empty string. So in second iteration, our I will be here, the I is 2, means second number, and plus the plus, what is the op is having. So op, our variable is having 1. So you can see 2 plus 1, so it will not add, so it will concatenate. Because if you know the string, so 2 string plus this will not give us 4, it will give us 2 and 2. Similar way, so our new op will be 2 1. So our op will be 2 1. Similar thing will happen until we reach to the final number 5. So it will traverse the whole loop, and it will give us the output as 5 4 3 2 1, and simply we will print that out. Okay, simple. So let's see this in the coding. Okay, so I'm using VS Code here. So let's take one number 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I have to reverse that number. As I said, first we have to convert that into a string. So I will take one s and string number. So as this is an integer, so it will convert into string, because string only we can access the each and every character from a string. We can't do with this number, because it will give us an object not iterable error. Okay, so next thing I have to loop. Before looping, I will take one variable which will have an empty string. Okay, so next thing I will loop through that uh, all the characters. So here s is our string. Okay, not the number, because we have converted into a string. So s. So I will just print out. Let's see what it's print. Okay, so you can see 1 2 3 4 5. It is giving each and every character. So before that printing, we have to concatenate. So I will write op equal to, so this I plus the op, which is this, and we will simply print that op. So it will give us an reverse number. You can see 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, let's say I will change the order of this. Now see what happens. op plus I, so it will just give us the same number. Okay, so you can see 1 2 3 4 5. So order matters here. So I will just change this. Okay, and well, you can take input from the user also. So I will just write number equal to, I will take input as, let's say, enter a number. So by default, if you write like this, it takes an string only. So it will be not use of using this string, but you can take it as a number input whenever you want to. Like, you can use palindrome if you want to perform palindrome and such operation, because you want to check the number and the reverse number are same. So I will take this number as an integer only, and we will convert it as string. So it will give us the same. So let's say I will write 6969. So you can see 9696. Okay, so this was our first simple logic. So you can write it by using for loop. So now let's see the second method. So we will be using here slicing. So this is most simple method for a string to reverse a string also, and also a number. Just we have to convert same thing to a string and just use slicing. So slicing, like in Python, in slicing we use this slicing operator, that two colons. So these two colons, so I will just write like this. So first colon denotes that starting point, start. In the middle is says the stop, and at the end is says the step, how much step you want to traverse. So similar way, I will take one number variable, let's say 1 2 3. I want to reverse that. So I will write one variable s and just convert first into a string. So number. So this integer number is now converted into string. Okay, so next thing we have to just print it out. So for that I will use this s, because it is storing so it is storing the string here. So s. Okay, sorry, let me delete this. So print s, and we will use square bracket here. So in that we have to denote, you can say, the right. To write this, we will simply use two colons, and write -1 here, colon, square bracket complete, and just print it out. Okay, so simply it will say that that string should be start traversing from the starting point, that is from 1, till the end, that is our 3. So 1 2 3, and with the step of -1. So -1 is like from this, so it will like keep calculating, not calculating, like you can say, because this slicing method will make an copy of our string. So it is not visible, but it internally makes a copy of this our previous string. So it will keep printing like from 3. So it will print like first 3, and then it will go through to here, then 2, it will go to here, -1 1, till the end it reaches the end. So it will give us the output 3 2 1. Okay, so let's see in the coding. I will just make variable, or I will just make an file. Okay, simply I will take one number 158. Okay, so as str, first thing we have to convert, because this will not apply on integer, it only applies on string, because many things we can do with the help of strings. And then we have to simply print this out as with a colon, oh sorry, with a square bracket inside, just 2 colons and -1. Okay, so just save it. You can see 851, it is given 15851. So first thing we have to convert it. So if you don't convert it, so it will obviously will give an error. Which error it is giving? See, int object is not subscriptable, because it is saying it can't script that object. So we have to convert that into a string to script it. Okay, so you can see, simple. This is most efficient way than the for loop, because if you know the complexity like space and time, so time mostly takes same time. I think big O of n both takes the same time, but in memory this is efficient. So this is then very simple method. So today we will cover only 2 methods, and in next methods I will cover the various more methods. So that's it for today's video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.